So, dahil wala pang naka-reach sa 1,100 winning this past month of January, treasure increased to 1,500 winning. So, ayun. So, rule number 1. Mag-increase yung parang winning na i-achieve. Tapos kapag na-achieve mo yun within that month, makukuha mo yung treasure. So, bale, 1,100 pesos. So, every month, kapag hindi mo na-achieve yun, mag-increase siya. Depending sa preventor. So, yun po yung rule number 1. Rule number 9. Sa isang month, kapag nanalo ko ng 1 hanggang 5 winning, may matatanggap kang plus 10 winning by the end of the month. Kapag yung win mo naman by that month is 6 to 10 winning, may plus 20 winning ka by the end of the month. And 11 to 15 winning, plus 30 winning by the end of the month. And so on. So, si Yep nanalo siya ng 5 winning by nung January. Kaya may plus bonus. May bonus 10 winning siya by this end of the month. So, ayan lang po mga kaganapan sa The Maze Board. Paalam.